Halloween party doon sa Seattle Coffee Pot. Doon sa Georgetown ito. Ito ang version ng mga Seattleites. Ito naman, mga bata, medyo high energy. At iba dito mga kaibigan, adults only, okay? Doon ito sa Coffee Pot. Halloween night. Host nila doon, mga kaibigan, ang magandang lalaking si Raymond. At of course, very entertaining itong ating mga suki doon sa mga patron ito ng Coffee Pot. Ang camera person natin dito si Frank Dominguez. Kaya ito, mag-enjoy kayo. May mga singer din dito na aming ipapakita. Special mention dito si Nelson ng MV Kaiser.
We have $100 first prize, second place for $50. This contest is based upon for all of you. Kung sino po ang pinakamalakas ng palakpakan, mabuha kayo sandali. Ipapaliwanag na. Kung sino po ang pinakamalakas ng palakpakan, yan po ang mananalo ngayong gabi. Okay, I'm going to start on my left. Peter, kasali ka ba? Dito ka. Pumila kayo. Okay, pumila kayo. Let's behave. Okay. I'm going to go to our first contestant tonight. Sasayaw po siya, magpapatugtog po ang ating DJ na tatanong dito. Sasayaw po siya sa harapan at bahala na po kayo malakpak. Okay. Our first mahalan dyan ang harapan ko, natabunutan kita rin. Okay. Huwag natin palangin ang problema, Panginoon ko, nandito tayo pa rin mga yung harapan. Okay. Ako naghahamon ako dito, ha? Okay. Our first contestant tonight, Miss Perry. Come on the stage. Sa harapan. Palakpakan po natin. Pumasok ka sa camera, sweetheart. Pumasok ka sa camera. Ayan. Kita sa'yo ba yung ginawa mo? Okay. Our second. There we go. There we go. Our third contestant. Come on, my love. lang po konti. Pang 12 contestants tonight. Come on up on stage, Miss Candy.
Pasensya na, pangagpangag kami.
Okay. There you go. Music, please. There you go. Oh, we got 13 contestants. Come on. Come on. There you go. Ayan. There you go. Nasali ka pa ba? Okay, of course, our second game for ating guest contestant tonight. Ngayon, pakikitahin natin sila. At, of course, I'm going to put my hands on their head, over their head, para malaman natin kung sino ang pinakamaraming palakpak ngayong gabi. Okay, line up please. Line up, girls. Line up. Okay. Okay, okay. First, I'm tonight. Well, our third contestant for tonight. Come on. Alam mo, hindi sumisigaw kayo, hindi kayo pumapalakpak sa Mario Joseph. Pumalakpak kayo, huwag kayo sumigaw. Our fourth contestant for tonight. Our fifth contestant for tonight. Our next contestant for tonight. Alright. Our seventh contestant for tonight. Ayan. Hindi ko malaman kung sino nakabuntis sa iyo. Naghahanap na lang yan ang susuporta sa iyo. Okay, our eighth contestant for tonight. There we go. Our ninth contestant for tonight. There we go. Our 10th contestant for tonight. Come on, Marnie. Kapakan mo natin, Miss Marnie. Ayan. Of course, our second to the last contestant for tonight, me. Come on. On stage. There we go. And of course, our 13th and the last contestant for tonight, Miss Sandy. Come on up on stage. Alright, there we go. Of course, meron tayong mga secret judges for tonight. Malalaman natin sa ating mga judges kung sino ang mananalo ngayong gabi for our first prize and our second prize tonight.
Hi, it's Marianne from Seattle, and I just want to say hi to all the Filipino viewers. Mabuhay!
Okay, I'm going to call our second winner for tonight.